Welcome guys, so today I am with Redmi Buds Lite and I'm going to show you how quickly you can perform a hard reset of this earphones. It will also works and fix this problem when one of the earbud is not working. So as you can see, I'm connected right now and everything is fine. To perform the hard reset, you have to input both earbuds to the case, just like that. And next, take a look. Of course the connection disappeared because they are right now turn it off. They are in the case. You have to close close this case, open it, and once you make it, let me just catch focus. You will find these small indicators. They are a highlight, and we have to click and hold them like that for the 15 seconds in this touch control until this indicators blinks a few times. So keep holding. As you can see right now they blinks, so we can release and take a look. Normally I'm gonna remove them from the case, like I want to connect back, and when I try to select them, I'm not connected anymore. I have to accept the pairing request, so it means that we successfully restore the default settings, right? So I can just accept the pairing request and I'm connected another time. So one more time, to perform the hard reset of the earbuds, put them to the case, just like that, and click and hold this touch control panels until this, let me just turn off the lights. Okay, right now we can spot them, until this indicators blinks 3 times on the white. After that, the reset will be complete. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.